Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Amazon ads. To begin, select your campaign type, like sponsored products for individual items or sponsored brands for your entire brand. Clearly define your advertising goals, whether you aim for a 20% sales increase or greater brand visibility. Next, establish a daily or lifetime budget, perhaps starting with $10 to $20 per day, to manage your spending. Finally, choose the specific products you want to promote, making sure they are readily available for purchase. Effective targeting is crucial for Amazon ads. Start by researching high-volume, relevant keywords using Amazon's own search term reports and other tools. Employ a mix of broad and exact match keywords to cast a wide net while also focusing on precise searches. Don't forget to add negative keywords, perhaps 5 to 10 initially, to prevent your ads from showing for irrelevant terms. You can also target specific products or categories, reaching customers who are already interested in similar offerings. Managing your bids and budget wisely is key to success. Amazon offers various bidding strategies, such as down only to reduce bids for lower conversion chances, or up and down for more aggressive placement. Adjust your bids regularly, perhaps every few days, based on how well your keywords are performing. Distribute your budget strategically across campaigns. For instance, allocate 60% to high-performing sponsored products. Always keep an eye on your ACOs, aiming for a target of 15 to 25% to maintain profitability. Continuous monitoring and optimization are essential for long-term success. Regularly review key metrics like impressions, clicks, and sales, perhaps weekly, to understand what's working. Use this data to refine your bids and keywords, pausing underperforming ones and increasing bids on high converters. Experiment with different ad creatives and headlines. Even a small change can boost your click-through rate by 1 or 2%. Finally, expand your campaigns by adding new, relevant keywords or products to reach an even wider audience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.